Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's tutorial is about piping this beautiful chrysanthemum. A few months back I had no idea how to do it and was scared to pipe it, but look at it today. It's perfect and one of my favorites to pipe. So I start by piping stamens in the center using piping tip 1. I'm using yellow buttercream for it, just a few like this. Then using Wilton 81 piping nozzle filled with peach colored Swiss meringue buttercream, I start from the center and pipe around these stamens, just applying pressure, pull up and stop. And once you're done piping petals around the stamen, the next round of petals will be piped between the two petals. And that's what makes these flowers pretty, the alternate petals. We continue doing this all around, piping between the previous petals. I know that piping this flower takes time and patience. So if buttercream becomes soft, the petals will not hold their shape. So chill the bag in between if it takes time, and if you live in a hot place like Chennai, it's a good idea to work in an air-conditioned room. Even if the cream is too stiff, it becomes difficult to pipe and you will need to use more pressure. So before you start making the actual flower, practice a few petals to check the consistency of the cream. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, I do have more on my channel for this flower on the right that I posted recently. Do check it out and do follow for more such videos. So with the right pressure and little practice, I'm sure you can nail this too, just like I have. And once you are done piping with it, the outcome is just so lovely. As you can see here, it looks so pretty. I usually use this as the centerpiece of my floral bouquets. That's how much I love this flower. So pressure is the key here in piping this beautiful flower, and it will need a little practice to get the right pressure, and your hand needs to get used to the movement. So there you have it, a lovely peach chrysanthemum. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and do follow and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!